In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add speaker notes in PowerPoint, an essential skill for anyone looking to deliver polished and confident presentations. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or any other speaking engagement, having well thought out speaker notes can be your guiding light. So let's dive right into the steps to make your presentations as smooth and effective as possible. First, you'll need to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have the Microsoft Office suite installed, you can simply click on the PowerPoint icon to launch the program. Once PowerPoint is open, go ahead and open the presentation where you'd like to add speaker notes. This can easily be done by navigating through your saved files and selecting the appropriate presentation. By doing this, you can ensure you're working on the correct deck, getting ready to enhance it with valuable notes. Now, you want to direct your attention to the bottom of your opened presentation. This lower section often goes unnoticed, but it's your gateway to adding those invaluable speaker notes. When you cast your eyes downward, you'll encounter a small box that says "Click to add notes." This is precisely where you're going to add all the content that will guide you during your presentation. Once you've found the "Click to add notes" box, it's time to start typing. Simply click within that box and you'll see the cursor blink, indicating that it's ready for you to input your notes. As you type, consider what is most important for you to remember when presenting each slide. You might want to summarize key points, note any additional data, or include reminders to engage with your audience or pause for questions. Remember that these notes are for your eyes only, so don't worry about grammatical perfection or formatting here. The notes are meant to support you, aiding as a behind-the-scenes script while you present. By customizing the speaker notes to suit your presentation style, you'll find that your confidence and delivery can greatly improve. And there you have it, you've successfully added speaker notes to your PowerPoint presentation. This straightforward yet powerful feature can truly elevate your presenting skills, allowing you to remain organized, focused, and engaging. Don't forget to review your notes before presenting, and if possible, rehearse with them to ensure everything flows just right. Adding speaker notes is a simple but essential step in crafting a compelling presentation, helping you stand out as an effective communicator. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your next presentation a resounding success.